Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to cover an important topic, that is how to connect Google Search Console with your hosting website. So till last year, like from 2022 to 2025, I think 17th of September, I was using my website that was on WordPress. Okay, so I'll also tell you how to connect WordPress with Google Search Console in a different video, or say like other video. But right now I'm going to tell you how to connect your hosting a website with Google Search Console. Okay, you can see it right here. I have just written Google Search Console and clicked on search. You can see it right here, Google Search Console. Click there. You need to click on start now. Please avoid background noise. Start now. Then you can see there are two options. We need to get into URL prefix. Okay, here how we are going to write it: HTTPS. You can see it right here. Then you need to write your website, or say domain, sumsmarketing.com. That's for me. So earlier it was like a scale of marketing solutions for .com, but because of long URL, I was always struggling to get a good SEO score. So this year I have just changed it to sums marketing. And I think it was too much shocked. It was such a shock moment for me when I noticed that. So just after like the date when I need to renew my website, I missed it. Like, I didn't do it because I was working on this new website. And I noticed that somebody has already owned that website link, www.skillupmarketingsolutions.com. And it was a kind of bid strategy, so I could have bought that website from that person in 12,099 rupees, but I didn't want to do it. So I have own this website now. So okay, let's just get into it again. You can see it right here, I have written this. Okay, so you need to click on continue. If you are confused that how to get this link, or if you are not able to write it, so just get here and write your website link. You can see it right here. Okay, okay, copy it from there, get back to this page, and then paste it right here, like this. Okay, it will also work. And continue. Okay, now you can see we need not to get into this HTML file. We need not to get into this HTML. So HTML tag will be useful for meta tag. Like you can use it in your Facebook meta pixel or something like this. And here Google Analytics tag, we need to use this for, say, Google, and like to connect Google Analytics with your Google Search Console. Okay, it is Google Tag Manager. Again, if you want to connect your Google Tag Manager with Search Console, you need to also get into this. Then you need to, every time you need to click on verify. But right now we are going to connect our Hostinger account or Hostinger website with say Google Search Console. So what we need to do, we need to get into domain name provider. Okay, so you can see this side. Firstly, understand this, it's written txt. Okay, txt. And then you can see it right here. I'm just going to copy it from there, and then going back to my dashboard of Hostinger. Here you can see. Okay, here you can see this. Just click there, homepage. It should look like this. Like when you click on your homepage, it will come like this. Okay, you can see this. You need to click on manage. Okay, so after clicking on manage, you can see here this side, you can see some options are there. We need to get into we need to get into DNS name servers. Okay, just get into it. And then here you can see this manage DNS record. So here you remember we read txt, say text. So from there we need to select txt. Then it will be written like this, and here we need to paste the link that we copied from there. Okay, then just click on add record. Okay, it's done, it's listed. Okay, now what we need to do, we just need to get back here, and you can see this verify option here. We need to click on verify. We need to wait for a minute, sorry, for a few seconds. Now it's done. You can just go to your property. Okay, and you are just good to go.